defending champs to Torres, former MVP win. Torres down the lane, race it up, oh, can't finish. And we won by Torres again, second chance to Senna. Shot clock 6 seconds to shoot. Last 3, and still by Carlite concentrate. No, from downtown Carlite to Magalino, race it up. Off target, 3-1 by Bobby, Saturday, short.
Wala, ball.
Nice fake. No,
Wala.
First of all, first of foul.
Wala, ball.
Raymond Carlite. Every first personal foul.
Huli mo naman dito. Nanalo tayo kaya. Hindi, nakasasaan dito sa kwet. Nel, tayo mo nung ibigay. Ang sakali. Ito, uwi nga ako eh.
Okay na, team. Okay na, sabi ko lang. Okay na, yung oras ko lang, okay na. Okay na, sir.
Ball! Wait ah!
Wait, Torres. Nice game. Torres, pass inside. Coronado is left. Oh, no, you can't finish. Libo by Carlite to Cruz. Former MVP rin. Two. Magalino, nice game. Franz Carlite, shot at last 5, 4, 3, and former MVP last season, Cruz. And Senna, by the way, Cruz, Senna. Magalino first personal foul, second team foul. And Torres Anton shooting on a chance for 3-point play. Is good for 3-point play by former MVP Torres to Carlite. Finds Cruz, fires to Trey. This time, dunking from downtown. Cruz for Everest, second chance, too strong. And over by Torres to Senna, over by Senna, Senna, triple team. And over by Senna again. Over by Senna, over by Carlite. Good John. Carlite, and it's good by Carlite. Seconds and 14 seconds. Torres finds third. Takes the J. Comes up short. He's one by. Oh, too strong.
Tignan mo yung sa'yo ng joke. Ano yung nakakalo ng joke? Nalagay yung sa'yo ng kambukyo.
10 seconds to Senna. The Bobby starts to trade. Goes back downtown. And personal foul. Coronado first personal foul. First. Team foul. Side ball lang. Magalino to Carlite at the baseline. Cuts it up. Comes up short. People by Bobby. 10 minutes and 24 seconds. Bobby's double team. Finds Coronado. Oh, by Coronado. Rebound by Carlite. Kicks up to Magalino. Magalino finds Cruz. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. And again, downtown. Rebound by Torres. Torres down the lane. Puts it up. Oh, Darwin. Coronado and draws the foul. Magalino's second personal foul. Third. Team foul. And Coronado will go to the line. Shoot two. Coronado first attempt. Here's so good. Last go by Coronado. And here's number 2 by Coronado. 1-2 comes the line. 9 minutes and 58 seconds. Magalino at the baseline. Carlite dashing. Back screen. Reverse. Oh, can't finish. Oh, steal again by Coronado. Oh, again. Sayang. Turnover. White ball. 5 minutes and 46 seconds to Cruz. To Magalino. Sizing up his man. Pass inside to Carlite. Nice fade. Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot. Last 5, 4, 3, Sena drives to Coronado. Back to Sena on the glass. And it's good. By Sena, nice and she's there by Coronado. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Makalino to Makalino. To Cruz, fires to Jay. Bang! Cruz, that's it down. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. And Sena sucks up his men. To Bobis, answer straight. No good, gets it. And Sena second chance. Sena off the glass, short. Rebound by Carlide. Carlide almost filled. Long pass to Cruz. Cruz back to Carlide. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Last ball and it's
Parang si Kenuel lang. Parang si Kenuel lang.
8 minutes and 14 seconds. Parang siya parang kulit lang daw yun. Pero hindi ko dito sa likod. And almost still out of bounds. Second ball lang. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. To Sena. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Bobby slices it up. Oh, can't finish. Sena second chance and it's good. Bali Sena, may shot daw yung Bali Sena. Grabe rin yung asan nito. 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Carlide to Nebre. Nebre nice take the floater. And good by Torres. Good run. 8 minutes and 55 seconds. To Makalino. To Nebre. Nebre. The floater. Too strong. Ibang by Sena. 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Coronado. Across the foul. Cruz first personal foul. Warning for penalty team wise for the first half. Another penalty. 14 wide and Coronado at the line shooting first attempt. No good. Last throw by Coronado. And good for number 2 by Coronado. What a field from the line. 8 minutes and 12 seconds to Cruz corner three. No good from downtown. Iba by Torres. Pisa to Sena. To Torres on the glass. And it's good by Torres. Ang bibilis talaga na itong bench. Siyempre yung white na bibilis rin yan. To Carlide. Carlide drives and draws the foul. Coronado second personal foul. Second team foul. And Carlide will go to the line. Shooting two. Carlide first attempt, no good. Last throw by Carlide. And no good for number 2, rebound by Sena. Sena get the boards. Sena at the baseline, puts it up. Oh, what a shot by Sena. Top shot there by Sena to Carlide. Carlide sizing up his man. Carlide fires a three. Short. Loaded from downtown. Rebound by Sena. Sena down the lane. Right it up. Whoa! Back-to-back score by Sena. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And Nebre to Carlide with a spin. Oh, behind the back. Carlide lose the ball. Turnover. Loaded by Torres. Torres loaded again. And rebound by Sena down the second chance. Escape by Nebre. Points. Interception by Sena. Final 15.
Ikaw lang yan.
Upon penalty, base contra team.
Kaya kaka-shout ako pa AD.
Laban lang team 1-2. Makalino to Carlide. Guarded by Sena.
Haldo,
Shot
kamu yun.
7 seconds to shoot. Last 4, 3, 2. Last 2 seconds to lang. Last one. Still good guy. Torres backing up. Good by Torres.
kami? Apat, tapos ako.
8 seconds. Makalino to Carlide.
Oh, wala ano.
Carlide takes
One.
the J. Comes up shortly by
8 and 1,
Torres.
2.
Oh, Torres. Out of bounds. Turnover.
Ano? 3.
To Makalino. Corner tray. Bang!
Ito yung ano, pumasok na yung 16. Ay ano, 18.
Out of bounds. Last touch by King. Right side wala. 6 minutes and 49 seconds to Senna. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Senna down the lane. Oh, Logan can't finish. Rebound by Macarino. And kicks out to Carlite. Carlite at the baseline. Off the glass and it's good. Carlite back in. 6 minutes and 34 seconds to Torres. Torres fires a three. Logan from downtown. Bobby second chance. Logan. Fernando to Senna. Finds Bobby's and he's trying to give it by Bobby's. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Carlite. Down yung second chance ng Team Beach. Carlite step back.
Bang!
Puts it up.
Tangka na mo, pahiya na.
And rebound by Torres. 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Torres attacks the rim. Lights it up and it's good by Torres. Switch the time of players. Official score. 17-23. Abante pa rin ang Team Beach. Score pa. Game 1. Good luck both team. Kanina nakauna na ang Team Yellow kontra Team Light Blue. 1-0 na. Best of 3 yan. Good luck both team. 2. Renove. Bounce pass to Carlite. Attacks the rim. The forward short. And rebound pa. Oh! What a rejection by Bello. Nice defense there. To Cartena. Slice it up. No good. Can't finish. Rebound by Senna. Too strong. It's out of bounds. And for the team, White last touch by Team Beach. 5 minutes and 45 seconds to Carlite. Carlite sizing up his man. Finds De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes hesitates. Back to Carlite. Attacks the ring. Oh! What a rejection by the ball. Last score. 3, 2, 1. Gage, 5 minutes and 25 seconds, remaining time. To Senna. Carlite Reyes to Bello. Points. And Logie by Albon. And Senna second chance. Raise it up. Short three by Albon. Oh, Logie by Albon. Cardenas. Kicks out to Senna. Shot clock 6 seconds to shoot. Last 3. And still by Carlite. Last 5 minutes. Carlite at the baseline. Pull up change. Short. And rebound by Albon. Ang bibilis talaga. Finds Cardenas to Bello. Ang ganda sa akin. Tinapos na play. Ilang napagin na naman daw play. To Senna. Sayang, may kasala na. Senna with a spin. Finds Bello. Oh! Dumami si Maring Bello. Nice pitch by Senna. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. De Los Reyes. Tumatugas to Carlite. Carlite by Urbon. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Whoa! What a shot by Carlite.
Duga ni Lawrence, sinisigo na siya.
4 minutes and 24 seconds.
Oh, nandiligo na si Lawrence.
Malaruan ng both teams.
Galit na eh.
Senna sizing up his man, finds Cardenas off the glass and it's good by Cardenas. Siyempre, shoutout nga pala sa mga JMP dyan. Shoutout sa inyo, mga masisipag na riders natin dyan and it's good. From downtown by Carlite. Parang nila pag naging parcel din. Nice assist again by Senna there. To Senna. Senna drives, finds Albon. And Logie by Albon. Rebound by Matugas to Hinoven out of bounds. Turnover, sayang. Last 4 minutes to Senna. Senna nice fake. Senna attacks the ring. Whoa! And finish. Rebound by Carlite. Ganda na sana yun.
Ganda.
Fires a train. Over from downtown. Rebound by Matugas. Matugas nice fake. Finds Hinoven. Good job. And traveling. Violation. Turnover. Parang nag-stock up si Hinoven dun ah. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. seconds to Sena. Nakalay tayo. Shoutout nga pala kay Boss RJ Mahinay. And Sena off the glass and it's huge. Sena puts it in. Grabe yung asa na itong Sena. Pag-iis ng Sena. Kagabi. Kinapos lang talaga eh. Linobe. Pass to Carlite.
Paul.
Carlite. From way down. Ganda rin laban. Oh, 29. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Sena take pass. Kinapos na yun. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Escape by Carlite.
Kakainin ko po. Nakakain pa lang ako bukas eh.
Shoutout nga pala kay Ome. And down. Cartenas, stands down and plays. Parang pinasa na yung pasel. Yung pasel. Tapol, bola ng team. Okay lang yan. Kasama yung sila. Kagatin mo daw. Sabi ni parang Jason. Carlite. Gandhi by Sena. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Sena, ganda lang. Whoa! Down to basket and a foul foul at number 7 Orbon. Orbon first personal foul. Third team foul. Fourth the first foul. And Carlite will go to the line. Should be a chance. 14 play. And here's the play by Carlite. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. To Sena, starting by Linobe. Sena sizing up his win. Sena drives. Oh, steal by Matugas. Shot by Matugas. Shot there by Matugas. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Cartenas.
Sakara ka na, slam ka ka.
Steal by Linobe. Nice job. Oh, Linobe. Nice stop there by Matugas to Carlite. Carlite. Guarded by Sena, Tumatuga, shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. And second chance again by Team White, even by Carlite. Last 2 minutes for the first half, Carlite. Grabe naman yung banawa ngayon, unstoppable. Ay, daw dito. Husgan! Eh, tama, Tommy. Yan! Okay na, Sir King na. Siyempre, ingat lang tayo pag alanganin pa isa nila mga players. And Carlite, o 20 pesos lang yung budget natin dito. And Matuwa. Nagpunok daw. Sorry. Nagpunok daw. Sabi ni parang Jason. Last 1 minute and 41 seconds. Side lang. Wala pa, hindi pa nahawakan ni Torres. Warning yon. Hindi pa nahawakan ni Torres yung bola. Pahawakan niyo muna ng bola. Okay na, back to the ball game. 1 minute and 39 seconds.
Wala.
To Torres. Torres fashion up his man. Guards the tray. Are you kidding me? What a shot from down by Torres. And beyond. And then what a shot by Linobe. Torres. And down the basket. And a foul. Scarlett. Linobe, number 15, first personal foul. Penalty na yung Team White for the first half. Remaining 5 left, 25 seconds. And Torres at the line, shooting on a chance for Team White. And now, counted, sayang. 1 minute and 25 seconds, Linobe. 5 baby moves, pero wala. And Tampol, bola ng team. Spain. The team on my left. To Torres, nice fade. Steal.
Grabe lang yun.
Jumbo. to Dennis Reyes. Istanlad sa tawag ni Bote to Carlite. Press it up. Comes up short. Dito by Cardenas. Points for Bon. Torres at the baseline. Press it up. Oh! Shot by Torres. It's good. Last 56 seconds to Carlite. Carlite. And it's good. Grabe naman ang pumilit. Simple lang. Last 51 seconds to Torres. Down the lane. On the last minute. Torres. Ganda ng laban. Palitan lang. Last 47 seconds. To Carlito. Pero.
Lahat o Roma eh. Masama yun.
Sa first foul.
Ganda yun lang oh.
Pero first personal foul. Warning for penalty pala ng Philippines.
Pero
For the
kita.
first half. Last 40 seconds to Carlite. Carly Barbelo. Carlite fast train. Open from downhill. And draws the foul. The foul red. Cardenas first personal foul. Holding penalty for the first half. And Matugas at the line. Shooting. And Matugas starts again. Nobody can get the first. Last throw bombing. Matugas. Bilis nilaban. Good for number 2 by Matugas. Last 31 seconds to Torres. Torres flashing up his man. Torres puts it up short. Oh, good job, man. Oh, good by Torres. Torres again. Off target. And we got by Cardenas. Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds to lang. Down ito. Last 14 seconds. Last 13. 12. Last 12 seconds. Last 12 seconds to lang for the first half. Last 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Ganda!
4, 3, 2, 1. Wala nang team right for the second half.
Oy, sorry. Lapit ka kasi lapit mo eh.
Trophy tayo. To Cruz, to Carlite. Carlite bounce pass inside goal lang. Shot up, reset tayo. Reset down. Alisin yung official natin. Nice call rep to
Upload mo sa ito.
Macalino. To Cruz, to Carlite. Shot up, 8 seconds to shoot. Last 5, 4, 3, and no good from downtown by Cruz. Rebound by. Oh, what a hustle play by Carlite. 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Grabe naman yung hustle neto ni Lawrence. Tumatugas. Oh, elbow, good done. And there's a foul. It's foul red. Number 20, Carlite. Carlite first personal foul. First team foul for the second half. Pinsena will go to the line. Shuribu.
Sa basketball lang ka nanonood.
Sena first attempt. Nobody can get the first.
Ram!
Last goal by Sena.
Ram! Kuya mo, kawating mo nga.
And nobody for number 2. And double foul ang tawag ng official. Matugas. First personal foul and Torres. First personal foul. To Macalino. Oh, what a hustle play. And go pass to Macalino to Cruz. Off the gas, too strong. And Matugas. Oh, no good. And Carlite second chance. Nice play. Oh, out of bounds. Turnover. 11 minutes and 5 seconds. To Bello. To Torres. And Sena double team and draws the foul. Macalino. Macalino third personal foul. team foul. Side ball lang. 10 minutes and 15 seconds. To Torres. To Sena. Guarded by Macalino. Sena double team. To Torres off the gas. Pearson out of bounds. And last touch by Team Bates. Ball on the team. White. The team on my right. 10 minutes and 47 seconds. Tony the nice straight. Finds Cruz. Fires the tray. Oh, target. And rebound by Torres. Is still by Cruz. Tony takes the tray. Hits the day. 10 minutes and 32 seconds to Torres. Torres fires the tray. No good from downtown. And downward ball on the team. Bang. 10 minutes and 23 seconds. Makakapa yan. Si Torres. Torres nice straight. To Bobby. Fires the tray. No good from downtown. And rebound by Cruz. Finds Carmite. Carmite takes the day again. He's fired. Killed by Carmite. 10 minutes and 5 seconds. Minor from the field to Sena. Finds Bobby's nice straight. Shot at 7 seconds to shoot Torres. And no good by Torres. And good by Beno. Good run. 9 minutes and 45 seconds. To Cruz, to Carlite. 9 minutes and 39 seconds. Remaining time. Carlite drives. Oh, out of bounds. Turnover. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. To Torres. Torres drives. Slice it up. Oh, can't finish. Rebound by Madugas to Cruz. To Carlite. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Shot out 8 seconds to shoot. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Tiniere mo, Gabi. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Hindi ka naman na, diba? Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job! And ito by Sena. And personal foul. Cruz. Cruz, second personal foul. Third team foul. Side ball lang. Substitution po tayo. Grabe na yung mga talungan na yun. Nakakatakot kaya siyempre. Play safe pa rin tayo. And Sena drives. Lose the ball out of bounds. Same ball lang. 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Remaining time. To Sena. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Sena drives with a spin. Puts it up short. And there's a foul. Macalino. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty. Substitution po tayo. Warning for penalty. Substitution po tayo. Warning for penalty. Team White. For the second half. To Sena. Started by Erobe. 8 minutes and 39 seconds. Bobby's nice fake. Puts it up. And then it's good. Bobby gets the lucky bounce. Basic down. Basic basketball. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Whoa! No good by Carlite. And that's all personal foul. Sena. Sena first personal foul. First team foul. Galing sa rebound dyan. Side ball lang tayo to Carlite. 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Hinobe comes up short. And Hinobe sends the ball. And out of bounds. And ball ng team. Bates. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Masyadong intention laro. Torres. Drives. Slice it up. This time it's good by Torres. 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Official score. Oh, 47.
Huwag sayaw. Sayaw.
Ball on the team White. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. And Torres puts it up and down. Dito by Matugas. Kicks out to Carlite. 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Carlite double team. Long pass to Luis Pasig. No kick from downtown. Dito by Torres.
Ayaw sila.
Torres finds Sena. Sena down the lane. Lights it up and back to the wall. What a shot by Sena. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Carlite baseline. The corner comes up short. Rebound by Sena. Sena trying to bang open. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Sena. Carlite moving pass to Matugas to Cruz from deep. Joker from downtown. Cruz again, second chance. Cruz. Second chance. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Sena. Ganado na si Sena. But personal foul. Cruz. Third personal foul. Penalty na ang Pinoy. And Sena will go to the line. Should be substitution po tayo. Sena will go to the line. Should be the last 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Official score. 51-50. Oh, 51, sorry. Last shot by Sena. And go to the tempo. Grabe naman yung rebound na yun. And Carlite gets the boards. They got him down. Tumatulas from deep. Matugas all the way downtown. Last 6 minutes and 50 seconds to Torres. Torres starting by Matugas. Points for Boy. Nice defense there, Boy. Last 6 minutes and 30 seconds to Torres. Shot clock, 6 seconds to shoot. No big by Torres. Rebound by Sena, double team. And
Bawi ako.
baba pa lang, penalty yan.
Walang ganti.
Number 25. Matugas second personal foul. Penalty! Penalty! Ng Team White and Sena again at the line. Review.
Lugi, bebe time.
Laking boy, inggit ko ikaw. Kailangan yung ikaw.
Ano ba? Tumba kita dito. Bago ka.
Good by Sena. Penalty from the line. Substitution po tayo.
Yay! Oh.
Tunyonge. And Pedro raise it up. Rebound by Carlite. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Carlite climbing by Pedro. Carlite crossover with a spin. Shot up. 8 seconds to shoot. Pumatigas. Last 4. And rebound by Sena. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sena from deep. Logan from downtown. Rebound by Hinomes. Hinomes between the legs. It's still by Pedro. Good job. Pedro tries.
Bueno eh. sa loob.
David Painope, rebound by Cruz. To Carmite, starting by Coronado. Last 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Carmite is deep by Coronado to Torres. It is deep by Torres. Also played by Team Page. Lamang na ang team. Page kontra Team White. And another almost turnover game. Bola ng Team White. Substitution po tayo sa Pian. Rebound by Sena. Sena double team. Points. Torres. Torres. Racing up. By Torres. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. And Camille no look pass to Mabilo. Oh, Jackson Palpero. To Hinobe, to Carmite, starting by Cardenas, to Matugas, shot clock, 8 seconds to shoot, no pass to Carmite, Carmite from deep, no good from downtown, and rejection by Sena. Nice defense there by Team Page, 4 minutes and 29 seconds, to Macalino, to Hinobe, almost steal, to Macalino, to Carmite, takes the game. Rebound by Samboy, bola ng team. White. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Tumatugas, starting by Belo. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Carmite, guarded by Cardenas, shot clock, 8 seconds to shoot. Long pass to Macalino. Is cleared by Belo. One also play. Finds Sena. Sena nice play. And no
Gago.
rebound by Carmite. 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Carmite at the baseline. Goal on target. Rebound by Torres. Torres passing inside the
Gago.
across the foul. Carmite second personal foul. Penalty.
Oh.
And Sena will go to the line, shooting to the last 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Sena,
Oh,
first
good.
attempt, Logan can't get the first. Last goal by Sena. And Logan out to play by Torres to Jan. And Torres almost steal by Carmite. Good Jan to Hinobe, puts it up. Short. Rebound by Sena, 3 minutes and 42 seconds. And there's a foul, Hinobe. Hinobe second personal foul, penalty, another penalty sa Team White, the defending champs. And Sena again at the line, shooting two. Sena first and good. Substitution po tayo. Ah, bawal pala, sorry.
FIFA pala to. FIFA rules pala to. Hindi
Last 3
NBA.
minutes and 30 seconds.
Bobo ka, bobo.
And good. Last 3 minutes and 38 seconds, mahaba pa yan. Tumatugas, guarding by Cardenas, Matugas drives, finds it over nice straight, Tumatugas, off the gas, and it's good, Matugas takes it in. Nice piece by Hinobe. To Torres. Torres, slicing up his man. Last 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot. Torres from deep. Logan from downtown. Rebound by Carmite. Kicks up to Hinobe to Carmite. Finds Hinobe. Oh, and drops the foul. Sena second personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul para ng Team Page.
Gumasabi. Pag nakapasok yung isa.
Last group by Hinobe. Substitution po tayo.
Ito.
3 minutes and 8 seconds, mahaba pa yan. Sino
Sorry.
kaya ang unang matutunisan sa semifinal special 3? Good luck po team. Sena sizing up his man. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. To Torres. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. And no good by Torres. Rebound by Belo. Second chance. No good again. And down ball. Ball ng team.
Hey!
Page. Last 2 minutes and 43 seconds. To Torres. And traveling. Violation. Turnover. Ball. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Camila by Belo. Camila sizing up his man. Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot. By Sena. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Sena drives this play. Puts it up. Oh, no good. And nice stop there by Cruz.
Mundo.
And Sena with a spin, puts it up. Oh, no good. For a second chance. And there's a hold, there's a foul, it's fouled in. Cruz warning for graduate penalty. And Torres at the line, shooting to the last 2 minutes and 6 seconds down. Short the second down.
Dalawa dyan, dalawa!
Last throw by Torres. No good by Torres. And no good. Yes.
Sayang.
Okay na, back to the ball game. All 61, crucial na naman tayo to Torres. Torres attacks the ring, nice fake, pass inside to Belo, kicks out to Bobbies. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Last 4, 3, steal by the last 1 minute and 39 seconds, Camila between the legs. And out of bounds. And bola ng team. Hey! Ganda ng laban. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Bobby, strong beat. No good. Rebound by Carmite. Tumatugas. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Carmite sizing up his man. Tumatugas. Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot. Last ball. Remaining time last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Official score 63-61. Lamang na ulit ang Team Page kontra Team White. The defending champ. Sino kaya unang madudungisan? Carlite. Carlite double team. Finds Macarino. Wow! Out of bounds. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 3 seconds. Ano nangyari? Team White. To Sena, dropping by Macarino. Sena sizing up his man. Sena almost steals. Sena double team. Sena! Palaro by Sena. Carlite, concentrate.
Dali.
And rebound by Sena. Sena double team. Out of bounds. One down. Last 49 seconds down. Same lang last 49 seconds. To Torres. Trying to make a leading. Torres sizing up his man. Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot it. Bonus. 2 shots to Philippines. Last 4, 3. Last 32 seconds. Last 32 seconds na lang. Last 32 seconds. To Carlite. Started by Bobby. Carlite drives. Finds Carlite. Passes it.
Hello!
And the bang. Somebody pulling a beat like last 26 seconds na lang. Last 26 seconds na lang. Painove. Started by Bobby. Last 32 seconds.
Hindi naman lapit! Shot clock pa.
15 seconds na lang. Shot clock 15 seconds yan. Shot clock.
Apat.
Last 18
Apat ba?
seconds na lang.
Hindi ko makita eh.
Enter sa counter sa foul. Penalty yan. Matugas. First personal foul penalty. Last 16 seconds na lang. At the line. Shooting two.
Nilabas si Cruz eh. Hindi na nilabas si Cruz, ulit na yun.
Bonus president. Nobody can get the first. Last throw by Bonus. And here's the number 2. Last 16 seconds na lang. Calculator. Last 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,